Breaking exhibition news from the One Shot Corporation. We are extremely pleased to announce that the One Shot ice cream and frozen yogurt pod dispensing system will be appearing at this highly exciting trade show. Our trade show stand number has not been released yet, but please mark down this show in your diary. We are coming your way with a great range of fantastic flavors and inexpensive and complicated machines. No sanitizing is required. Our mission is to liberate the world of the sanitizing process, and we are doing a pretty good job. Nearly 2 billion one-shot pods have been consumed globally, and we are market leaders. Big exciting names are now rapidly adopting One Shot across the globe, and we have an impressive international network. We recommend that you come straight to the exhibition stand because we traditionally have extremely busy international trade shows. No matter where you are, the One Shot dispensing system is coming your way.